In this video, we will install Oracle 11g on our personal laptop in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to download the 11g files from the Oracle website. I will leave a link to the downloads page in the description. You need to select the version based on your operating system. I'm running a 64-bit operating system, so I'll be downloading 64-bit versions. There are two files that needs to be downloaded and you will have to log in into your Oracle account to download the files. If you do not have a login, you have an option to create the account as well. Once the two zip files are downloaded, you need to extract them, change the folder name to a smaller and more readable name, and start unzipping the next file. Once the unzip is complete, rename the folder and then copy the contents of components directory. Paste the contents inside the first extracted zip file components folder. Now execute the setup as administrator. After few moments, it will redirect you to the 9-step installation screen. The installation process is fairly simple. In the first step, you will be asked to provide an email ID, which is optional. You can skip this step. It will give you a warning which you can accept by clicking yes. Now you have three options. Upgrade a database. If you have a pre-installed Oracle DB which you want to update, then you should choose this. If you only want to install the software and create the database at a later stage, you can choose install database software only. For this video, we will install and configure the database directly by choosing the first option. Now you can either install it on your local machine or a server. Since we are installing on our laptop, we will choose desktop class here. Oracle by default will have pre-filled options which you can keep as it is for this installation. You have an options to install the Enterprise, Standard or Personal Edition. We will install Enterprise Edition for this video, and we will choose the character set as default. Now you have to specify the admin password. Make sure you remember this. You will be using it at a later stage. Oracle is giving us a warning that the password is not strong enough. You can accept and move forward. Now Oracle will list all the prerequisite for the installation. You can click finish and the installation will begin. If you get any firewall warning in between, click allow access and the process will continue. Copy the database URL. You will need it later. Now unlock the HR schema so that you can play around and write your queries in it. Now the installation is almost complete, and I want to take a moment to thank my friend Ajit who helped me with this installation on his laptop. Now you can log into the admin portal or SQL Plus to run your queries. That will be it for this particular video. Try the installation and let me know in case if you face any issues. In the next video, I will show you how to install SQL Developer and how you can connect to the database we just installed using SQL Developer. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.